Is another egg, avocado, and sriracha kind of a morning. So that's breakfast today. Ooh, for dinner tonight, we are using those Trader Joe's zigzag butternut squash, along with, this is like when summer meets winter. Thanks, babe. So chicken thighs, rice, and barbecue sauce. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. So for breakfast this morning, I'm just keeping it warm right now. We're having omelets with just bell pepper and onion and a little bit of cheese, avocado, and turkey bacon. So that's what we're having for breakfast this morning. So for dinner tonight, it's very, very, very simple. We've got spaghetti with angel hair pasta because I didn't actually have spaghetti. So we have angel hair pasta with marinara, Parmesan, and Caesar salad. For dinner tonight, we've got beans and ground turkey, cheese, avocado, salsa, and tortillas and taco shells. You can just kind of do whatever you want for dinner tonight. So this is what I'm having. Can I show them what you're having? Mm-hmm. So Deacon's got a taco with avocado and a bean turkey and cheese burrito, and then some salsa. And Drake has kind of a taco deal going on. Lunch, I'm having this pasta salad. It's actually left over from our chili night the other night. We had, everybody brought something. And yeah, I got to take home some leftovers, so I am munching on this right now. It's so good. So anyways, pasta salad for lunch. So I made crepes for breakfast this morning. It's their favorite. Tonight we're having burritos. I've got some, oh here, I can just show you. Chicken and onions, beans, a whole grain like blend medley thing, and then let's see, olive, salsa, cheese, sour cream. Last night we had broccoli, chicken, and I made some mac and cheese, but my phone wasn't working, so I wasn't able to record it. But this is what we're having for dinner. For dinner tonight, we are having, well, okay, it's actually lunchtime. I'm having this for lunch. We're having it again for dinner. It's a beautiful rainy day, so I wanted chicken and dumplings. So I made some early, and I've got the rest of it still cooking. Anyways, we've got all the Norm in here, and I do have recipe videos on them, so I'll leave them down below. But this is what we're having for lunch and dinner today.